Yo, in this video I will show you the easy way to change the color on your Audi original center caps. This is everything you need for the job. Some screwdrivers, towels, sanding, spray paint and rubbing alcohol. If you have a hot air gun, it will help you to dry the paint quicker for the next layer. The stuff you need to remove the rings and the outer ring from the Audi cap is just 3 small screwdrivers. That's it. I'm about to paint this black. Here we go. First you want to pull out the outer ring. Like that. And then you will start with the rings. The smallest possible screwdriver. Just gently. Here you have to be really careful. You don't want to break the tabs and break the whole thing. Little by little, just easy, really easy. Like that. See what's coming out. Super careful. For the sanding I use this, I would call it, I don't know, what is it called, sanding paper. Just give it a little rub and then clean it up, it's ready for paint. Good enough. Everything in pieces, just waiting for the paint. I will clean the caps with some rubbing alcohol before the paint, so the paint sticks better. Like that. Now I will show you my special paint booth. It's really special. Okay, so welcome to my temporary paint booth. There it is. No. You wanna give it some heat for the paint to dry quicker. Few moments later. The can is dying on me. I don't care. Yep, that's it. That's it for this can. Now that you've seen my Keto paint booth, now it's time to put this back together. First you want to align the tabs. They are ready. It's only 1 hour job. If I can do it, you can do it. It's quite easy. So do it. Until next time.